Cardano by and large is a mid-positioned coin with the ticker ADA that generally has an in every practical sense present worth of $0.251284 and a market capitalization of $8,849,880,217, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Digital currencies in a real sense have genuinely lengthy past a purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in an especially huge way. These days, it's a resource class that sort of is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Some especially huge venture banks even sort of obtain Cardano and in every practical sense, other digital forms of money as a group to safeguard their resources under administration, against a running expansion that disables the conventional monetary business sectors, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Presently, now is the ideal time to uncover our short, mid, and especially long-haul expectation of the advancements on the ADA market that in every practical sense depend on the readings of our extremely novel crypto unpredictability file that in a real sense assists us with checking the market feeling and in a real sense expect where in which the market plans to go. At this point, the cost of Cardano essentially is $0.251284, while the coin presently most certainly ends up at ninth spot in the general positioning, really in spite of mainstream thinking. The said certainly positioning certainly is assessed based on the resource's kind of present value that for the most part is increased by its in every practical sense current market capitalization, an equation that fundamentally is applied all through every single monetary market, which truly is very critical. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions, so our clients basically get the most pertinent information with respect to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios in a significant way. It's likewise critical to for the most part consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its bearing in an extremely enormous manner. On October 16, the cost of Cardano truly was at $0.247358 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change generally added up to 0.41%, which is very critical. 7 days prior, on October 10, ADA essentially was esteemed at $0.251742, which certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost has especially changed by 0% in an unobtrusive manner. A month prior, on September 17, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.250416. Subsequently, the coin explicitly has taken a 0.35% action to in every way that really matters arrive at its especially present standings in an unpretentious manner. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main genuinely factor that we in every way that really matters consider while making the cost expectation in an unobtrusive manner. It's likewise critical to explicitly keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to in a real sense have a reasonable perspective on where the market is going, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The examination of market capitalization generally conveys really equivalent significance in both cryptographic money and customary business sectors, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology especially is utilized to in every practical sense decide the for the most part in general position and notoriety of computerized resources and stocks, for example, or so they truly thought. Changes in market capitalization kind of certain or fundamentally negative explicitly or likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could really be going, as well as the resources truly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both exceptionally short and in every practical sense, long-haul viewpoints in a for the most part huge manner. This extremely specific especially metric is additionally used to measure the strength of Cardano, according to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition. To decide the really current market capitalization of ADA, we fundamentally duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will generally be in every practical sense made sense of later by the extremely present worth of the digital money under survey in an exceptionally enormous manner. Starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano generally remains at $8,849,880,217, which frames the reason for fundamentally present commonly positioning for the most part was referenced before. Yesterday, on October 16, ADA generally had a market capitalization of $8,710,004,574, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Keep going week, on October 10, The market capitalization of the coin being referred to truly was recorded at $8,848,360,887, which certainly is genuinely huge. A month prior, on September 17, the market worth of Cardano in a real sense was surveyed to be $8,790,07,350, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that have previously been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, which most certainly is very huge. These digital currencies can be utilized either for in every way that really matters, dynamic exchanging, or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, which in a real sense is very huge. This in every practical sense metric likewise figures the coins that have been deliberately gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which is applied to control the expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, the by and large all-out supply of Cardano in every practical sense is laid out at 36,259,372,927 ADA, exhibiting that it means a lot to sort of keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have a truly clear perspective on where the market generally is going in an unobtrusive manner. Ultimately, the flowing stockpile generally is utilized to for the most part compute the market capitalization and fundamentally evaluate the coins really current remaining in the positions in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. It indicates the essentially by and large measure of ADA that generally is by and by exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that truly are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown, which for the most part is genuinely critical. It's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that for the most part have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million in every practical sense are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation, since they truly are generally prone to truly see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, potentially many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in an unobtrusive manner. At this crossroads, Cardano truly has a coursing supply of 35,218,626,844 coins, or so they fundamentally thought. Over the essentially beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the mark of $178,211,003 in an especially significant manner. Yesterday, on October 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame explicitly remained at $81,490,237 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on October 10, how much ADA that especially was traded between market members generally was assessed at $134,384,554, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Presently comes an opportunity to really make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, since it's a focal point of our cost expectation model that permits us to explicitly predict the way that Cardano will basically follow over the genuinely next 1 to 5 years. So yesterday, on October 16, the normal weighted exchanging volume